Alright guys, another Georgia Suffer construction update video. Let's see what they've done. Alright, so everything looks about the same how they did from last week. Nothing really changed. However, I just noticed from where the station is, you can see lights. Hopefully my camera can get it. Camera's terrible, I'm sorry, but if you can see, there's lights on over there. I'm going to upgrade my phone or camera soon because my camera hates me. But they got the lights on the station now. Cannot wait to ride this next year, y'all. But look like they're done because I don't see anything different. They have not added any rope to those stick poles. The one they're gonna open up that little section where the kid area is, as they did in the video. And these yellow jackets are bad. They were bad when I was at Whitewater. But as you can see, station got the lights on over there, so that's nice. The station's probably done about. Oh, that's new. They have also got that little employee work area painted now and finished. Because I wasn't finished, you watched my last update. So yeah, that's different. I don't know, there's not much else they've done. They just got water hoses and stuff. Everything's painted, it looks like. They got doors added to the building. See, you get the station lights and stuff. They look done. They're missing all the rails though, but the station looks done. Yeah, that's about it. They took down the barricade that was out here. It's now gone. But yeah, it looks really nice. You probably gotta do a bunch of wiring, but there you go.